Hey guys, this is our third and final video of the girls' basic trim. We are now on step number 8. It says when cutting in front of the ear, put head up and not tilted forward. Any of the hair that you cut in front of the ear, you want to put the head straight up. Now, I'm going to take some of the hair that I've already cut, which you've now seen in the first 2 videos, and some that I haven't cut. Now with the ear, a common mistake that people will bring the hair out to avoid the ear, or pull it forward or back to avoid the ear and the shoulder. You still want to cut directly for where the hair lays. So I'm going to put my fingers right here and see how I'm just holding my hand really nice and tight next to her shoulder. You can also see right there, that's where I have cut and that's where I haven't cut. See how I'm not moving the hair out, I'm not moving it forward or back, I'm just keeping it straight down. I'm going to match that right there. Sometimes our hands do get in the way, so I want to give you a quick tip that will help this be a little bit easier. So see how right there my hand's in the way? If I were to bend my hand just like that, see how it takes the hair from like 1.5 inches away from the shoulder to touching it? That's what you want to do. And bring it down and match that cut that you've already done. And there you go. That is the third and final video. I hope that helps when you're giving your little girls a basic trim.